Right now, from the Room to Room Weather Center, here's Mississippi's Chief Meteorologist, Matt Lovehon.
Significant winter weather is more and more likely as we head toward this upcoming weekend. I'm Chief Meteorologist Matt Lovehon. Thank you so much for supporting us here in the Room to Room Weather Center as confidence continues to increase but is yet to hit peak levels here. We have maintained a level 3 confidence level on both snow and ice potential, not because we don't think it's more likely, but because exactly what it is what we're still narrowing down on, because there's going to be some warm air about a mile up. And that's going to eat into some of the snowfall. How far north into our area does that make it? Does that then change your pretty snowfall into an ice storm issue? That's why we're still waiting to refine the confidence on this. But one place where we are thoroughly increasing confidence is both of these cause travel delays. And it's not more likely we're going to see rainfall. It's still most likely to be one of these top two here. And so that means confidence in travel impacts continues to increase, and confidence in impacts because of sub-freezing temperatures for more than 3 days, that is increasing. Busted pipes and all the problems that go along with that. We could actually have low temperatures down below the 0 point depending on how much snow they get to the north. So the takeaway is this: while confidence is still increasing, impactful troubles with travel are likely with this storm system. They begin Friday, and they continue into next week at some point. How deep in the next week? Beyond our knowing at this point, honestly, because of how cold we are. Now, I mentioned Friday. That is our transition day. Notice temperatures above the freezing point. For most of us, most of the day, we're above freezing. So that means you're going to school Wednesday, going to school Thursday. You'll probably be able to go to school Friday. The question we're going to resolve over the next couple of days is how is coming home from school. It still could be just fine, but it might not be, and that's what we're trying to work out here very closely. Clearly behind the system, it's really cold, and we form kind of an ice box to the north. Really, really cold temperatures up into Tennessee that then feed back and keep us colder here in North Mississippi. So while I show 12 by Monday morning for, kind of the average around the area, or 8 Tuesday morning, I have some projections that a few folks down below 0, and that's going to really, really cause some issues there, especially if you factor in any ice. And we haven't talked about wind and how that could work with the ice, but the thinking is that this is obviously a dangerous pattern and one that confidence will continue to increase on as we get closer. We do live broadcasts 5, 6, 10 p.m. and 6:37, 7:30 a.m. here in the Room to Room Weather Center. I'm going to be doing probably both mornings and evenings in some form or fashion. Our meteorologist Maggie McCauley, 6:37, 7:30 a.m. She's the one in charge. During the mornings, I'll probably be popping in with some opinions as new information comes in. Check us out there. Check out Gabe in the evenings. And of course, make sure you have the Mississippi Live Weather app free and available for not just all of those mobile devices, but Roku, as well as Apple TV. Search for Mississippi Live and keep it here for the latest.